amazing returns, guys. You just hit 610% profit. I just made $61,000. The trades I share in the private list on the last 7 days are Strong, High Sand, TrueFi, YFDI Finance, and Plut. Guys, take a look how much this coin pumps. We trade coins with high volume, guys. Take a look at the volume on the last hour. $600,000, $1.2 million, $75 million, $8.1 million, $657,000. Guys, if I made $61,000, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. The way it works is my software is track the market and alert me before the pump. So I share my trades in the private list. The first trade recap, this coin we trade before, guys, but at this time we hit 210%. I shared this trade in the private list right here on Sunday, March 5th. We bought this coin for around $127 and we put a sell order at $400. I made $21,000 in the single trade. Guys, a lot of new traders, they ask me why you didn't put a sell order right here at 650 where the price went up. Guys, I don't control how high the pump goes. My software is calculate buyer power plus volume spike, so I use a support and resistance to find my target exit. Okay, do you remember what happened here on February 25th? We made 95% on this coin. What happened again is the same thing happened. Volume spike plus buyer power. I got the volume spike in this coin 2 days ago on March 3rd. And this coin was in my watch list for 48 hours. Guys, next trade recap, it is strong, guys. Same thing happened. I got a volume spike right here on March 3rd. I got a volume spike right here on February 23. I got a volume spike right here on February 24. So I shared this trade in the private list one that got a buyer power. And Sunday, March 5th, we bought this coin for $7.20 and you put a sell order up here at $16. Guys, I just made $12,000 this trade. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to follow my trades. It's plain and simple, guys. By the way, follow me, follow my Twitter account. Is Trade Crypto Time. You keep yourself updated about Bitcoin. I just explained to you on the charts on my Twitter account why Bitcoin is possible hitting to $10,000 again. I'm talking about $10,000 target again, guys. Follow me, TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out. Guys, also I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, guys. Like I mentioned before, take a look at the main cryptos. The chart looks all the same. Take a look at this. Do you know why they look the same? Because those coins are traded without volume, guys, and the coins we trade, it's coins high on volume, guys. Take a look at this strong, like I just mentioned before. Let's check here. Volume spike. What's going on here? Volume spike here. So this coin, let's give this example here. Original trail, and the symbol is track. Let's copy this. Copy. Let's go right here and put in the chart. Track. Coinbase. That's the kind of pump we talk about. Take a look how much this coin pump here. But we don't focus on coin with low volume because the volume right now it's only $14 million. It's a lot of volume, but it's not enough to trade because the coin must be on volume spike plus buyer power. When I get this coin on the buyer power and I get the confirmation, that's when I share my trades in the private list. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel, I live in South Beach, Miami. It's going to be my pleasure to add you in the private list. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.